Dürr and GROB have partnered to be your global battery equipment manufacturers. United as one strong coalition, we boost your battery production through key technologies, digitally optimized processes, and exceptional engineering expertise. Whether it's a proven state-of-the-art facility or next-generation product line that is half the size, integrating the latest innovations, whatever it may be, we deliver the best battery production equipment for your needs in every process. Battery production that is seamlessly integrated from the design phase through engineering to execution. Battery production that is highly effective, reducing costs and scrap rates. Battery production that you can count on with proven state-of-the-art technology. Get ready for your next-generation cell factory, a groundbreaking fusion that sets new standards in manufacturing and provides the most compact layout. Dürr's dry coating process is revolutionary. It eliminates the need for drying, enhances sustainability by recycling materials, and operates entirely without solvents. The result? The highest quality electrodes. Next-generation Z-folding, high output, high precision. The GROB Z-Folder Gen 3 combines high-speed folding technology with proven features, including auto-splicing and integrated notching for peak performance. Electrolyte filling is Dürr's latest innovation, simplifying a complex process with top-tier functionality. Achieve outstanding optimization by reducing your footprint by up to 50% and energy consumption by up to 70%, saving you space and operating costs. Experience seamless digital integration by transitioning from the digital twin to execution. Robust production control and active traceability ensure smooth operation. This approach offers transparency and predictive insights, leading to full process optimization and setting a new standard in operational excellence. Whatever it may be, we deliver the best battery production equipment for your needs in every process. We are your global partners for local battery production.